So this is the walk up to the railway station. There's a map here of where it goes. So we're at Broadway up here, and it goes all the way down here to Cheltenham Station. Lots of lovely little lamps. The old British telephone box. Don't see many of these now. Oh, and it's got the old telephone in it.
Even the phone's in it.
Oh, it's locked. You can't get in
locked.
it.
Oh,
It's just a phone. Oh, that's novel, isn't it?
yeah.
Oh, these are pretty.
Yeah. The Gloucestershire Warwickshire Railway is a preserved heritage line running through the northern edge of the Cotswolds. Operated largely by volunteers, it connects Broadway with Cheltenham Racecourse. Archie's enjoying himself. He is a good boy. Along its 14 miles of track, the line passes through some beautiful Cotswold countryside, restored stations and historic structures. We've arrived at Winchcombe. We are going to watch the train depart. We are now going to take a stroll into the pretty village of Greet, where we see pretty cottages, beautiful gardens, and we came across a very friendly alpaca before returning back to the station for a well-deserved coffee. Back on board, we head towards Cheltenham. Here we have a fine example of a steam engine. This particular one was built in 1905 at the Swindon Works and has been beautifully restored. Cheltenham Station is opposite the racecourse. There is a walk to the park and ride, which will then take you into Cheltenham town centre. We are now leaving Cheltenham Racecourse Station en route back to Broadway. You can see the racecourse in the distance. The line operates throughout the year, offering visitors a working glimpse into Britain's railway past. More than a tourist attraction, the railway is an ongoing preservation project, maintaining historic equipment, rebuilding infrastructure, and keeping traditional railway operations alive for future generations.
Hi everyone.
Morning, folks.
Hope you're all okay.
Yes.
Well, we're at Broadway, which is a caravan and motorhome club site in the Archie's just clambering down, which is in the Cotswolds.
Yes.
It's a lovely site, isn't it, as you'll have seen from the video.
We're on pitch 93 and there's Archie and Julie getting ready for a walk. And we've got a hedge here. Electric hookup.
But it's a lovely campsite. We are a bit near the road. We didn't realise we were, but it's not too bad. It's just you just get a bit of a hum. But it's a massive site.
It's a very picturesque little village.
Yeah.
The campsite is just on the outskirts, opposite a beautiful steam railway.
Yes, so we've had a day out on that, haven't
Yes,
we?
which is the Gloucestershire and Warwickshire railway line.
Yeah.
And you can catch a train from Broadway all the way to Cheltenham.
Yeah, and you can get on and off,
Yes,
you know, wherever you want,
If you
really.
have a rover ticket, you can disembark and come back on the train at will.
Yeah.
Just follow the timetable.
So we enjoyed that.
Yes.
And we also walked into Broadway village itself. Oh, it's very upmarket, isn't it?
It is
Yeah.
very upmarket.
Yeah.
Probably too upmarket for us, the likes of us, but
yeah.
very
Very
nice.
nice shops,
Yes.
very nice restaurants,
Yeah.
very, very clean and
yeah.
I don't know, it was lovely, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Really nice.
All the buildings are oldie worldy Edwardian.
Yes, it's Cotswold stone, isn't it?
It is, so it's like a yellowy stone.
Stone, yeah, very nice.
Takes about 20 minutes to walk from the campsite, round about a mile. So
Yeah.
but it's all on the level. There's no real inclines as such.
No. And it cost us £42-ish
A night.
a night, and we
Yeah.
were here for 3 nights.
Right then, just a quick update on the repair we did to the pump, the
Yeah.
water pump. The good news is it's fixed the problem that we had. So excellent. We've been here 3 days and the pump hasn't gone off as it used to every
10 minutes. Yeah.
It's behaved itself and the job's a good one. So
Yeah, so that buying, what was it, the bottom of it, was it?
yes, the service kit did the trick.
Yes.
So we don't know what was wrong with the innards, but There are a lot of one-way valves, etc. in there. I tried to take the old one apart, but I couldn't really see what the problem was. But it's fixed it. That's the good news. So if you have a problem similar to ours, and you've got a whale pump similar to ours, then the kit itself, which is round about 50 odd pounds, so quite expensive, but it does the trick. It fixes it, which is the main thing.
Yeah. We're on our way home today, so we'll see you in the next one. Please remember to like, subscribe, and don't forget to press that hype button.
Oh yes, the new button.
Yeah, if you click on that, I think you get 3 hypes a week. And if you'd like to hype us, we'd really appreciate it. It's supposed to help the channel.
It is.
And being a small YouTube channel, we would really appreciate it.
It goes a long way, yes.
Yes. So everybody, we'll see you in the next one.
Bye for now.
Don't forget to hype the channel.